guys, it's Sadia and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how I plan a particular week in my life. It's going to be a very basic way of planning your week. So you will only need one book and 2 pens, that's it. And you can just plan it in 2 pages, just 2 pages of your book, and you can plan your entire week. It's a really nice video, so make sure to watch it till the end. And also I have a giveaway in this video, so make sure to participate in it. The details of the giveaway will be somewhere in the middle of the video, so make sure to watch the entire video. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you will be needing is a book. So you can either use a ruled book or you can use an unruled book. I prefer using unruled book because it allows me to customize it according to my wish. So I will be using this unruled book. And then you will also be needing pens. So 2 pens, one blue and one black. And even if you do not have 2 pens, that's also fine. You can use 1 pen and a pencil, or even 1 pen is still fine. And you will be needing a scale. So pause the video, go and get these 3 things and start planning the next week along with me. It will be really fun. So the first thing that I need you to do is take your scale and make 3 lines over here and 7 lines over here with a black pen. And you can see how I'm going to do. So this is how I have made the lines. Make sure these are equally spaced, and yes, I will not make 7 lines but 5 lines over here like this, and here 3 lines. Okay, so make sure this space has more lines, more space over here. And yeah, I'll show you all how exactly I'm gonna plan over here. Now I'm gonna add headings to all these lines, so just have a look at it. So these are the headlines. So these are the dates for the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I have written the dates over here. And here I will have my to-dos for that particular day. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. I've made one section for the weekend together. And then this section is for goals. Whatever goals you have for this week, you can write it one below the other. And this last section is for something which I will share at the end of this video. So for now, let's see how we are gonna plan things over here and over here. So in this section, I will write the main goals for that particular day. So for example, on this day I want to finish a video on pandas. Okay, and by pandas I mean it is a module in Python. Okay, so I do not mean the animal panda. So I have to make this video. So this will be my major goal for this particular day, and so on. I will have some particular major goals for that particular day, which I will write over here. Now in this section we will write the particular goals for this week. So these are my goals for the week. So upload 2 videos on SS means this channel, and upload at least 1 video on crack concepts, then check DA project, check progress in the project and rate. And if you're a student, you can write something like, check your progress in this particular subject and rate yourself. So these can be your goals for the week. And then I have to order a gift for a friend. So yeah, so these are my goals for the week. So like this, even you can write your goals over here. And now let's talk about this third section. Now here I'm going to write some motivational stuff for myself, just to motivate myself. You can also write some motivational quote over here just to keep yourself motivated for the week. So yeah, you can fill this entire place, or you can do anything over here. So it's giveaway time. So if you want this book, this planner, so this is how it looks like. It's a daily planner. It has multiple pages. If you want this planner, so all you need to do is follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below this video your major goal for this particular week. So just comment that down, and yeah, I'll choose one of you and you will get this daily planner at your home. So this is all you need to do on a Sunday before the week starts. So, and once the week has started, you can write your to-dos over here. So for example, if today is 20th September, so in the morning, or a day before that, I will just write down whatever my to-dos are for this particular day. So like this, you can write your to-dos for each day of the week, and like this you can plan your entire week, and yeah, you're good to go. And even when the particular day is over, you can rate yourself over here out of 5. You can do that, and over here at the end of the week, you can just tick off whatever you have done, and you can see, and you can rate your week as a whole. And like this, you can plan weeks for the rest of the month, and you're good to go. That is it for today's video. I really hope you all liked this video, and if you all did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and also participate in the giveaway. And yeah, I'll announce the winners in few weeks. So yes, bye.